In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up A/B tests for HubSpot sequences. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can compare versions of your outreach and confidently improve your results. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and opening the trial guide from within your portal. This guide is a convenient place that consolidates access to key tools and helps you quickly get to the right areas without digging through multiple menus. Once the trial guide is open, look for the option labeled More. Click that to expand additional categories that aren't shown by default. From the expanded list, choose Sales. This takes you into the sales-focused workspace, where tools like templates, documents, and sequences live. Within Sales, select Sequences. That will open the Sequences dashboard, showing the campaigns you or your team have already built. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search or filters to narrow the list by owner, status, or most recently updated. Next, choose the sequence you want to test. Pick one that has enough enrollments to generate meaningful comparisons. A/B tests are only as useful as the data they gather. When you open the sequence, you'll land in the editor, where each step of the outreach cadence is laid out. From here, you'll see additional settings related to adding A/B tests. These controls are designed to let you compare variations in a focused, measurable way, commonly for email steps, where you might experiment with different subject lines, openings, calls to action, or tone. Keep your test clean by changing one element at a time so the results are easy to interpret. Before you turn anything on, make sure you have the right permissions and that your subscription includes sequence A/B testing features. If you collaborate with a team, align on naming conventions for variants so it's obvious which version is which when results start coming in. It also helps to decide in advance what success looks like, whether that's higher open rates, more replies, or increased meeting bookings. So you know how to judge the winner. Once the A/B settings are configured within your chosen sequence, you're ready to roll. Enroll contacts as you normally would, then allow the test to run long enough to collect a reliable sample. Resist the urge to call the results too early. A bit of patience leads to clearer insights. Afterward, use the built-in performance data to identify the stronger variant and apply what you learned to future outreach. That's it. Navigate to sequences through the trial guide, open your sequence, and use the available A/B options to optimize your sales emails with confidence.